Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial on how you can use Google Translator on your WhatsApp chatting. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, install Google Translator from your Play Store, and once you've installed Google Translator, all you need to do is tap on Open. After you open up the translator, next tap on the profile icon located in the top right, and after that tap on Settings. Next interface will be directed to Settings, and you have a list of options, so then tap on the first one, that is Tap to Translate. And once you're in this page, you'll have to enable all of these options, and also make sure to turn on Show Floating Icon. After you've enabled all of these features, open up your WhatsApp application. So then open up the chat page. You can see right at the bottom there are different languages. So all I need to do is just copy the text just like that. As soon as you copy the text, the floating icon will appear. So all you need to do is just tap on it. In my case, I don't have that, so all I need to do is just swipe down, and then I'll have to tap on Translate. Once you tap on it, now you'll have to paste the text that you've copied recently. So then tap on the cursor and then paste it. You can see there's a detail of your text, and in order to translate it, tap on the arrow icon. You can see right at the bottom there's a translated text. So this is how the Google Translator works. So the other feature of Google Translator is that you can select your native language as well. So in order to do that, tap on Clear, and after that open up the Google Translator once again. After you open up the Google Translator, and in order to change your language, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the language that is currently available on your device. In the left hand side, just tap on it. You can see that you have a list of options. Now you have to select it accordingly. Since I want to go with English, you can see that currently my Google Translator is in English. So then you can select any language that is available on Google Translator. So that is how you can use Google Translator on your WhatsApp chat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.